Yes. Today our topic is packaging specification. Okay, that is one of the master data in EWM. New demo. This is very simple and EWM internal master data. This one, say for example, we have one mobile phone with us. First, what we do, we keep in one polythene cover and then bubble wrap and then cotton box. Okay, at polythene cover and bubble wrap, we can say auxiliary packaging materials. Cotton box is the main packaging material. Okay, if we see that at which level we are going to generate the handling unit, cotton box level, and no need to have at polythene cover level or bubble wrap level. If we if we keenly observe that packaging of mobile phone, three levels are there, or else two levels are there, or else only one level we can see. If we go three levels, the first level represent the polythene cover, the second level represent the bubble wrap, third level represent the cotton box. If we go with two levels, we can keep two auxiliary products in one level and main packaging materials one level. Okay, means we are differentiating our packaging specification into different levels, one or more. Unlimited levels are there, one or more levels we are using. Okay, and if we see at every level we are using some packaging material, every level. Okay, that is the concept of structure of the packaging specification. And at each level, system should be accept the packaging material, means packaging material type. Okay, the each level should be accept that relevant packaging material type, means some validations. Say at the top level, and every time we count from inside of the packaging specification. See, mobile phone packaging, the first level is polythene cover, second level is bubble wrap, third level is the cotton box. Means highest level is always at top. Highest level means number highest. Level 1, level 2, level 3, like level 10 is there. The 10 is at top. We can see outside of the entire thing. Okay, that thing. Now coming to this, just read from the right side. This is structure of specification for packaging. We predefined packaging specification can help to the user how he needs to go for the packaging, and the system also can know that against this product this is the packaging. Okay, so the packaging specification is most important in the EWM. Okay, and this one is printable. We get print out this packaging specification and execute the packaging activities. Okay, this thing. And some specific process steps are there, like VAS order and kit to stock, etc. These are there. These are the these are required. Packaging specification is mandatory. Mandatory. VAS. So what you are doing, how you are going to perform, what are the packaging materials you are using for this VAS. For example, if I am going with the kit, how you are going to preparing the kits, what are the packaging materials you are using to prepare the kit, and etc. So this packaging specification is playing a vital role in the EWM operations. Okay, and this packaging specification, if we see here, the highest level is header structure level. Next, content. At header level, we have the general informations like who is created, when is created, who is changed, and etc. Content level is, say, uh, what are the contents inside for this packaging specification, either product or other packaging specification. See, for example, just like nested handling units, we can have nested packaging specification in a main packaging specification. Means, say, mobile phone, entire thing. In the content, I can keep mobile and another packaging specification. This packaging specification represent the charger packaging. Charger packaging. Okay, like we can use this content fields. And at header level, we have area called condition records or condition procedures. Condition procedures. If I want to trigger this packaging specification in my transactions, it would require a condition procedure for this one. See, inbound automatic package. As of now, what we are doing in the ECC we are packaging, or else EWM we are packaging, and etc. Instead of that, auto packaging I required. Always assume that always the product is packing in a same kind of packaging material with fixed quantities within that. In that case, we go with auto pack. Say for example, beers. Always in warehouses, they cannot deal with loose beer bottles or whatever it may be. 24 beers in a case. Means always they maintain one packaging specification to form a handling unit for 24 quantities. Why? Because they are receiving cases like we can use. Means if I maintain a condition record against that product and against that product along with packaging specification, and system can automatically determine that this quantity it should be prepare a handling unit within the EWM system and it will generate. Okay, that also we can see as an example. Okay, these things. And if we see below side, levels are there. Levels means first level what we are doing, second level what we are doing, third level what we are doing. Okay, and within these levels we have some concept called element group. Element means a object. A piece of something is called a element. A piece of something, whatever it may be, element. One particular object. Say pen is there, that is one element. Pen cap, that is also one element. A piece of object is nothing but a element. Okay, or else object also a element. Okay, so at that element, at that level, we form some element groups. Some element groups. Okay, this terminology a little bit confused, but this is very easy to understand once we do the transactions and these things. What we can do, first level is there. I want to cover with polythene and press with punching machine. Press with punching machine is one kind of work step here. This one work step. Polythene cover is a packaging material, so I can call it as a element. This one is element. If more than one element is there, or else only one is there, we can say that element groups. Okay, this one. And say here first we can see this diagram only. Level 1 element group 1 is there, element 1 is there. Here what I can do, I can press with punching machine. That is one work step. We are performing that. And packaging material is polythene cover. This is one element. And within the same level, I have one more element with me. One bubble wrap, keeping the staples. Keeping the staples means pressing with staples or uh, pressing with the gum or whatever it may be. That is pressing activity is work step. Packaging material is this one. What bubble wrap means The entire thing is a element. So here, what are the elements now? One polythene cover plus punching, heat punching. Second one is bubble wrap plus stapling. These two elements. Okay, these two elements are clubbed together in a element group at this level. Okay, this thing. Now we see within the system, and the packaging specification is having the number ranges. This is the master data. Okay, we can see. Go to the EWM system.
Sir, what are the master data in EWM, sir? Bin master bins and packing specification only, or we have any other?
You can tell me, sir, the nearly 30 classes we have finished. Huh?
Activity area?
No.
No.
Product master, business partner, supply chain unit, bins, packaging specification. These are the master data.
Okay.
Yeah.
Work center is not.
No. Works and region. Those are, name itself just this is the master data, but all are the ARG elements. Yeah. Master data are product master, business partners, supply chain unit, storage bins, packaging specifications. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Go to extended warehouse management, master data. Please mute yourself, sir. Packaging specification here. Extended warehouse management, master data, packaging specification. Okay, this thing. Define number range for packaging specification. Here, number ranges. This one are somebody's created number ranges. If we require, we can go with this one and this thing. Okay. See here, some 680 is there, 99901. We can use some 3-digit number code. Define general packaging specification parameter. See here, number range. See, if we go to this slide, this element group and work step both are reusable things. This element group and work steps both are reusable things. Means reusability. Say one sinking wrapper, one is there. Sinking wrapper, one of the packaging material we use for the boxes, gift box packing or whatever it may be. Sinking wrapper. Some kind of sinking wrapper, we can see this. What we can do, see here, just we keep our box within that and hot air, this one, hot air blower we use for the sinking wrapper. Okay, this blower, usage of blower is a work step always. Okay, hot air gun, usage of this one. If the packaging material is a sinking wrap, instead of creating every time this element group or work step, what I can do, I maintain with in the system and I reuse this work step and element group in my packaging specification wherever I go with this sinking wrap. Okay, this thing. Work step and element group, these things. Maximum rows, say in a packaging specification, rows means levels. Yeah, levels and rows means to get the printout of this packaging specification, every line represent one row. What is the maximum rows in our printout? That one. And alert category we are not using. Form name. Say one form, standard form is there for this pack spec. Say if we want to go with our own packaging specification form, just we copy this and change the modifications within this form. And if we assign here, automatically system consider that custom forms. Okay. And coming to the forms in the EWM, entire EWM, we use the smart forms only. There is no scripts. Smart forms. Okay. This thing. Now, any document management system is there, integration, we can use this document. And any PDF form I want to use, we can use this. Okay. These things. Now, packaging specification group, just like our this is a master data, just like our product. Assume that product is having some product group, material is having some material group. Like if I adapt any specific packaging specification group, automatically some level kind of things will appear. First we go the transaction and I will show you. Coming to the transaction side, extended warehouse management, easy accessor, master data, packaging specification, maintain packaging specification. Okay, this one. This is the area to create the packaging specification. If I want to create a new one, add new line, some empty fields are there. Okay, now the here is one field is there, packaging specification group. Say for example, I have one packaging specification group, VIPL. If I press enter, one number packaging specification number range is coming, and one level set kind of thing is coming. Read here right side, set of levels. Against our packaging specification group, we have some different levels. Just go to here, click on this display. Within this levels, level set means set of levels. See at two levels are there. Two levels are there. Okay, first level, second level, two levels. Okay, this thing. Now go to configuration. Define packaging specification group. Come to here. New entries. AAPL, my packaging specification group. AAPL, PSG, just I am giving. Here number ranges 01. See here 01 I am using 01. And not yet we have maintained any level set. Just I am saving it. Just here I maintain number range against this packaging specification group. Now go to pack spec. Add new line. Packaging specification group. Just it is taking number range, not at level set. Once after creating the level set, it will come. Okay. If we open this, nothing is there. No levels are here. Just number is there, and this is the header area. Here under the determination tab, we can maintain the condition procedures. condition, procedures, various. And arc data, what is the packaging specification group, who is created, when is created, we can see. And what is the logical system of this system. Okay. And document management, anything is there, we can use. And during the packaging, if any rounding means 30 beer bottles are there, 24 into one case, another 6 into some other small cotton box or whatever it will. In that case, we can use this one. Any additional data you want to implement here through baddies, it is possible. Okay. Now, this is the header, sir. 676. This is the header. This is the header level. We can find out the information of the document, number, who is created, when is created, and what is the number, and condition procedures. We can see here. Coming to the content, if we see the system, just only content, it is appearing. If I want to add any product against this content, select it, go to this button, plus symbol is there, add product, concept. What is this? Does not exist. One sec.
First level, right?
No, no,
Level or the
no. Okay. First, I click on the delete button. So, I did not use save button. That's why that came. Now go to here. Come to here. Product. See here. Here we can enter the product. Base quantity. Say for example, all some products we can use base quantity is one, or some product we can use 24 quantity each as a base quantity, like these things. And add this area, batch mix allowed, reference mix allowed, etc. Reference mix means different reference documents, multiple inbound deliveries. If I want to use packaging specification to club together, this one reference, this one mixing products of same reference products allowed, product reference for product quantity to be packed, these things means alternate products or something. Yeah, this one. If this indicator the system create one HU 50, this one 50 products. Okay. Say similar products, anything are there, we can club together. Next one is batch mix allowed, different batches. We can use this one. Next, say here we have not yet created any level set. That's why levels are not populated with reference to our packaging specification group. Even though we don't have the level set, it is possible to add levels. Add levels. See here. Add levels. Number of levels. It is possible. Like these levels. Here, three levels are there. Three. It is possible. Three levels. Just only three I required. Delete level. Okay. The first level. See here. One element group is there. Within this we can use elements. Say for example within this level I want to create element group. Created one element group that is having number range here. We change the element group, small number we can give. Element types. See here element. Within the element group we can use the elements, packaging material and work steps. See here, like this. We can use. Next, come to this level, only one, like we can use. For this, only one, like we can use. Why? Because we don't have the level set. That's why we are creating manually. If the level set is there, no need to create all these levels. Even though, say for example, assume that level set is there, I don't require this level. Level set adopted, assume that. Within that level, this is there, but I don't require this one, delete. But some setting is there at a level type level. We can I can show you in the configuration. If that is activated, it's not possible to delete it. Say here, delete, or else only one element I want to delete. Delete. One sec, here, delete, like these things. Okay. See, even though we don't have the level set, we can manually create and manually maintain the levels and create that one. Okay. If we see here element group, some lengthy number is coming, we can change it. Go to IMG setup. One TE is there. TE or TP we can use. TE or TP. Okay. Yeah, sorry. Now go to the other configurations. Here we are. Okay. This thing. Here we have not maintained any level set. Okay. Not yet it is activating. Just to keep it. Define RFC connection for packaging specification distribution. RFC connection means only SEM side, not from ECC. SEM side. Okay. This thing. In EWM, from one system to another, one EWM system to another EWM system, if I want to share my packaging specification, that is also possible. Okay. This thing. RFC connectivity. Not into the EWMs. Sorry, ECC. One EWM system to another EWM system, we can use this. Okay. This thing. Next. Maintain master data for packaging specifications. See here, level set. Here. See here, once we maintain the level set, here it will come. First, leave this. Go to maintain structure of packaging specification. Structure. This is
Sir,
structure.
one question, sir.
Yeah, please.
In the level set, what we define is that is common. That means any warehouse can use that. Is it so?
Not level set. Entire packaging specification we can use.
Okay, any warehouse can use it. Okay.
Yeah. Not ECC. Only EWM systems.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yep. Next. Maintain structure of packaging specification. Structures are here. Level types. Go to here. We go with two levels. New entries. Level type AIL 1 I am using. First 2 digits, level 1. Level quantity here available for input set to 1. Both are available. Okay. Available for input means say we can manually enter there, or else set to 1 we can use this thing. Next, performing in the entity always not relevant, sir. This one. And quantity classification, say for example, if I want to use any cotton boxes, eaches and etc., we can use this one, quantity, any quantity classification. We will discuss in sometime later regarding this quantity classifications. HU type, say for example, at this level, if I want to use the specific handling unit type, we can use. Means at this level, I want to use 3 into 4 into 3 inches cotton box only. That is, say that kind of cotton boxes I can club together in a HU type. Normally, that 3 into 4 into 3 is a cotton box packaging material, that is a specific handling unit type. In that case, we can use this. And at this level, you want to create the HU or not? Just recap our mobile sim. Say first level, I am going with one polythene cover. No need to go with HU creation. So this one. External step, I will we are going to work with this during VAS. Okay, keep aside for some time. Deletion not allowed. Say just now we have seen without level set, we created some levels and we are able to delete that. Say for example, I have fixed level with me. I have fixed level set with me. Within that levels are there. Either I can able to delete that level or not. This influence. First we can go. And if anything is rounding relevant, we can take this. Kitting we can discuss during the kitting sessions. Okay, that level is dedicated for any kitting type activities. We can use this. And icon here, some icons are there. Just this cannot influence any transactions. Just say for example, within the system, right icon is there. That is auxiliary packaging, or else uh, green light is there. Icon green light is there. Main packaging. Like if I want to use, say in our case, icon yellow light is for auxiliary packaging. Saving this. Go to next one. AL2 second level. Level 2. And here I want to create handling unit. Deletion not allowed. Icon is green light. Let's save it. Two level types are created. Two level types are created here. Now element types. Okay, this thing element types. Go to this thing element types. Element type is nothing but we can equal. We can see that is equivalent to our packaging material type. Element type. Element type is nothing but packaging material type, we can say. Okay, for this one element types, AIE1. E type 1, AIE2. Okay, this thing. Here we need to give what you are going to work with. Say here element type 1 I want to use for auxiliary packaging material. Element 2 is main packaging material. And now here also we have some icons. If we want to go with our icon, say auxiliary, anything is there icon. This is not useful, just we can check. For HU level main packaging, we can use this. For auxiliary level, anything is there, we can check. That is for our satisfaction only we can use, but no use. Okay, we can use something. Save it. If we compare with packaging material type, there also we can use auxiliary or main packaging material, etc. Right? The same thing. This element type also we can do. Now, define level set. Define level set. Go to level set. New entries. AIPL LS is my level set. AIPL warehouse level set. Okay. Enter. Within this level set, I am going to assign levels. Just now AIL1, AIL2 in a sequential way. AIL1 first. AIL2 next. 1, 2. Within this level type, we are going to assign the element types. The first level AIE1 I am assigning only one, so no need to give any sequence. The second level AIL2 E2, sorry, E2. Okay, now one level set is created. Straight away go to our packaging specification and maintain this. Yes, exactly, sir. Level set, level type, element type. Level set, element type, element. Sequence. Go to maintain packaging specification group. Come to here. Ours is AIPL. Here AIPL LS and activating it. Save it. Now we go to transaction again. Now all of our levels will come. Under the EG axis, master data packaging specification. Select this new line. Select our AIPL. See here, automatically level set came. If we go inside, see here some icons are there, some levels also there here. This is our level, auxiliary level. Okay. Say if we want to delete this, Level type cannot be deleted. Why? Because deletion not allowed indicator we have ticked there. I will show you parallelly. Level 1, that one, AAPL, level 1. Go to level type, first level, sir. This one. Save it. This, what is the setting, we can check. Cannot be deleted. If we see here, cannot be deleted. Okay, like. If I remove this, go to here, gone. Okay, at level type level. Within the level type, at element type level also, element type, this also, we have deletion indicator. This one, deletion indicator. Okay, this thing. Now, structure again. Yeah, one sec. We change the number ranges of element groups and etc. Right? That we can check. Once we have any level set with us, automatically against the levels, one element group will be created. This can be repeat for the every packaging specification this number. Okay. If I don't want to create a new one and we can go with our own pre-configured element group reusability just now we can maintain here that we can see later on. See here, say at level type level we can see this is the packaging material work step of this element group. If I go to at element type level, see here in detail, here it is expecting some packaging metal on this thing. Level 1 we have given auxiliary packaging. Level 2 main packaging material. There I have selected, if we recap, element type level. Okay, these things. Now define work step type. Just I am giving some AIWS hot air press, one work step. Now define packaging material types. Already we have cotton boxes and etc. Now assign packaging material type to element type. If I want to use any packaging materials within that element type, we should have assignment of that packaging material type and element type. Go to here, new entries, AI E1 packaging material types. AX is there, and within this element group, sometimes I can use AIPK also. PK now there, AICB not there. We can check. APAC. Mhm. cotton box, yeah. And next one, just remember our packaging material group and packaging material type combination, vice versa we have given, just like it would require to maintain here also.
A pal, I think.
Yeah,
A pallets.
a pal b hai sir, a pal b there. If we want to use, we can use that also. This also we can use, sir. Okay, this thing. Save it. Means at this element group we can you have the packaging materials which are relevant for this packaging material types. Next, if I want to use work step combination, it would require to have assign work step type to packaging material type. Go to here. AWS is ours. AWS. New entries. A scar. AAUX. A pal. AIWS. 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 This one. Save it. Now almost ready. We can create one packaging specification and see the print preview now. Then we go for the determinations, element groups, reusabilities, and etc. Go to new entries, AIPL. Go to here, pack spec. Content, here you add product, AIPL, mat one, automatically one. And come to level one element group is created automatically. Coming to here, packaging material. This is the auxiliary packaging material. What we are using auxiliary here, cotton is there. We don't have auxiliary, we can check, sir. Okay. Any auxiliary we can check. That material type we can use. Nothing. Okay. What we can do? We can create one auxiliary material and do that. First, what we can do, I am deleting this for our testing purpose. Tomorrow we can do that one. Yeah. Okay. Now come to here. Main packaging material is the cotton box. We require one auxiliary material. Tomorrow we can create that. Okay, this thing. This is the element group automatically is creating. Now target quantity 1000 up to or else 24. Minimum quantity 1. At this level, HU required for HU check where this one customization, validation, activate, no condition records. Okay, come to here, condition record. I am using 0 IBD. I will show you something. Yeah, tomorrow we will elaborately discuss this. Product is with whom we are generating. And activate it. This meaning is under this supply chain unit, this is the product, this is the ship from party, adapt this packaging specification. Adapt this packaging specification, trigger this. Within this, what is there? One carton box up to 24 we can use. 24 we can use. Okay. Now print preview. Output device, some standard we can use. See here, this is the print. What is the packaging specification group, level set, who is created, and against this one. Standard form we have assigned that. And what is the level name, target quantity, how much, minimum quantity, what, and this thing. This we can see. What is the packaging material you want to use, and etc. Okay. Now I have assigned one condition procedure. Just I will show you a small test case. If everything is fine, we will get auto HU. Otherwise, tomorrow we will go through that. VL31N JTH1 exactly 24 is there. Save it. Now come to EWM 1443. At inbound delivery notification, there is no HU. See here, one HU is created automatically. Why? Because against condition procedure I have maintained. Okay, sir. Yeah, tomorrow we will deeply discuss about this packaging specification and close this. Okay, tomorrow we will check reusability of element groups, work steps, and everything. Thank you, sir. Thank you for attending the session. Have a nice day. Bye.